have a few ideas to keep squirrels and cats out of your raised beds. You know, invariably you put all this nice soil on and then you get squirrels and cats using it as a playground. So we planted some carrot seeds. You could do this for any kind of a seedling. And then before they are coming up, we put bird netting down so the cats or the squirrels cannot get in there and disturb everything and ruin your crop. Now these seedlings are about 2 inches, and so we're going to take the bird netting off because you don't want it to hinder any of your harvesting later on.
And then another tip you can use is wrapping twine over the top of the netting. So we went through and put a little push pins in the top and created kind of a little zigzag over the top, and what that does is also hinders the squirrels and the cats from getting in here. They may still be able to walk around, but they're not going to be able to do their business and their clawing. So that string can be just zigzag back and forth. Once again, you can leave that string on until the plants are up, or you can take it off after they get big enough for harvesting.
So these are just a couple ideas to keep your raised beds just for your vegetables.